It is a that's all one model is Messiano in your mind. Russia said from one is answer one mona air cancer and semono. Now, almost to be a church. Now, Yansua, you who said to your conclusion, if you identify Jesus Christ, about assassinal, but me, Eddie Huncomo. Over Facebook, what me, I call. We are on Splash FM. Okay.
Your friend on my topic here,
Jesus Christ was invented. That was the question.
Yeah, that was the question. But the other on a different topics. The Messiah and the come of the Messiah.
Oh yeah, but was Jesus Christ invented?
Exactly. That's
what
we are looking at.
Yes.
We are not looking at the Messiahship.
Only
a different thing.
The
couple more the high
for. Okay. What if I say?
Yeah, Abuja.
Jesus Christ. Mumu who say you invented and I say Jesus Christ or Basa so. And of a boy Juma. Send you can't say Jesus Christ. A year Juma Brina Yasin. Send the city.
Okay, and you may be chatty for splash at you for you now. Now I am Obia Aquaba. Nama for Konya, you should not make your common sense of which for you, especially my boss, Abraham Bimushi, and P Black, me chat to BPR. You best say, you remember my dear, yet me a tea, now you're the Yeshua, dear, okay, what is about Jesus Christ?
Was Jesus Christ invented?
Right, Jesus Christ, as I see so, Obian see as I saw invented Jesus Christ. Omo invented 100%.
Oh, now can I say?
Sanity, Usia didn't know Bugram about the sanity. Jesus Christ, no. Me one crop for beer, me de compare and me the book Jesus. Number 1, Spider-Man. Jesus, what is Spider-Man? Number 2, Jesus, what is Captain Planet? Obian tie me non tie me. You want send me at the bar. Obi Jesus and a branch you free him. Yes, Jesus, I can't want seven. O se book bim ndinde me ne me brand ye be hwe ade bi enu ne Jesus what is say Scooby Doo and finally am say me ka Spider-Man obi ante ase Captain Planet obi ante ase Scooby Doo obi ante ase Jesus what is say Kwaku Anansi won so ba ya mambri mu a ye wo Kwaku Anansi story sana Jesus ye den tie Kwaku Anansi bia mba nwuram but e asem a ye omoka the same thing happened to Jesus. And your point number 1. You person you see at the end. I am fan to
Yen church, Mona, you who didn't hear all kinds of some. You shall say, Jesus Christ, you know, and yet, I check. And you, oh, yes, overcome. I dear Bia, Obintia, near Unina support a pan say.
Minina support a say, Jesus, ye inventing, identity. Ye call Bible, no, my record Bible. Jesus adding same bit to us say. Only dim. Ye the same BBC.
But you believe in Bible?
Do you? I believe the Bible as written by human being, not a divine book. And yan yanko ponu mo aseme ye nipa bi na twerɛ.
And ye ma wo Bible mu no. Wo gibidi.
Nyensa seme wo mu mi gibidi.
But only bi ni.
Enye mi gibindi. Wo kai Proverbs chapter 10 verse 4. Ba ko wo kai Proverbs 10:22. Ba ko wo. Nti wo kai ba. Wo kai ba bia it make sense. Nti baby it make sense no. Fa na fa bo bra.
But you don't believe Jesus Christ.
Dabi.
But baby one mo dia ujitum.
About the Bible no and Jesus Christ.
About Jesus Christ.
Jesus and there me full vim. Obiansi asase so a ye friend Jesus. Ba woni ma de ayeye. Mimi gidie mini dia minimum no. Jesus bia exist. But who on buy? And I Jesus Christ bia ni wo beba. The concept of the Messiah ni Jesus no e na ada no mo de abeda ada ye emre ba mo ye be de ye bechirim the entire ya me consider na me de Bible no ba mu say ye me no ni gidie e wo Bible num nti sa me be kasa na ma mfa ni gidie na nkasa on temase enu ti na ye quote Bible no wo Jesus
but what was a common sense family?
Yes.
Money and woman be a to Abraham. Unyanya bibia.
Adwen, ya adwen e de bobra. How do I need kura metimi ape book but kopon book.
Okay. Young Jesus Christ.
Even a Christopher or a Christo new team in Sophobia. Say Jesus be by him poor. The name Jesus Christ disqualified. Ma disqualify. Because Jesus now can answer no. According to Mujidian Bible no. Or by him poor, Uncle Israel ni, or ye Jew ni. It is a Jesus be by him poor as a soa. You can say your friend Jesus.
I'll think of unfriend.
And say your friend Yahshua Hamashiach. It will call Israel, but see ne. Wow, you have a problem kakra about Christianity. Momo te Ghana ha. Ena momo chere papa bia ba Israel man. Your friend Jesus Christ. Na Israel for no mu omukuro mu no. Omu Jesus no omu nyini ni.
Israel.
Omu nyi Jesus ni besi ne ye chena. Ena omu nyini ni so because so ba ye mpo a abrabo no obeda na di no e ya abrabo fun. Ene abrabo boni.
Say Obaye.
So ba ye mpo a.
Do you believe say Obaye na so wama?
Me won say ya wama kura but adisuanti.
Obaye.
Mpo a na abrabo bebo ye kura ye hia no kura we abrabo mu. Ye de no to ye abrabo mu ti na ye bre. Enti say Jesus bi ba ye mpo a Kristoni ye ogana ha. Eno owusu bempa osi oko Israel. Obaye no osi Jesus di no e ya bosom din. Na nka ye pe Jesus din anka sampo a ye frɛ no Yahshua Hamashiach. Adenti edin yen translate din nana apom din wutu kwan me hye nkom next 2 years uko US a nana apom din ye translate na e de ko US kasa e be friend say nana apom din ye de ko China kasa e be friend say e ye nana apom din nti I wonder why na mo si Jesus aba na obaye no oye Jew ni na ye translate ni din from Yahshua to Jesus.
Oh, see I say bro Yahuda.
Ai say
Yahuda. I will kasa be.
Yahuda Hebrew name.
What translate the ba ye kasa mu aye say.
Ye translate here as ye say praise God.
Enti ya translate the aba. Enti adenti na Jesus Christ dey yentumi translate.
Ye edin translation. Ye translate edin to edin. Ba ultimi translate edin na wanya title. Who tell the no? Enti ye name and ye title. Who tell the no? Enti mimi din nsenwo koje no. Ba bia wo ko bia nsenwo koje as kire se ye fa ne se bo. Enu na wo ye translate ye anytime there ye be translate wudi no wayera. Enti say Jesus bi ba ye mpo a according to our Bible, who can John chapter 1 verses number 18. Or see or ba ni diem na ne de anche no. Who tell the no? Enti Jesus bi ba ye mpo a nge se fa ne Yahshua Hamashiach.
Nan eno de who say ade up ona me wa.
Ade up. Because onu na oba ni diem no. Onu na say de yetu ni di e wo no ankasa ni den. Ni diem. Nti I wonder why say omo na Israel fo no, omo se Messiah bi ba mo no. Na Jesus no ye say oba mo no, omo reject no.
Okay.
Because ye Ghana ha come for anochi history. Sabi obi ntimi mfi Togo. No mbe kan kire so onu nim come for anochi sene ye. Ye kurom na come for anochi ye den. Pie ye. Enti ye na ye nim history about come for anochi. But be sin ni nne. Uko Israel. Ye won crofobia ye from the Orthodox Jews. Omo si Jesus bia ye no aha na yete. Jesus bia mada. Na unim before Jesus before the story of Jesus no. Ye won
the story
of Jesus no. Ye won crofobia the character of Jesus. Omo were the same character. Ye from Baku Horus over 500 years before. Number 1, obi opia bishia bia
500
years
before
answer the story of Jesus. Eba ye from Baku Mitra. Enti Mitra no so ba 1200 years answer the story of Jesus. Ye from Baku Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oko China mama. The story of Krishna is related to the story of Christ. After ye from Baku dinosaurs. When I say friend say Clash of the Titans. Yes, Ankrofona. Enti Ankrofo way history. Omu story. Ena Roman for. Enti omu kiro New Testament na omu inventi. Your friend say New Testament no. Ye from the Piso family. Obi a opere set kona kwa hwe. The Piso family. Omu na inventi New Testament. Ena omu inventi Jesus. Na obe bisam say den ade enti omu inventi Jesus. Se me say ya inventi na. Before New Testament no. Na Old Testament ne ya den e wo ho.
Yeah.
In Old Testament, you say, Messiah be baba. Oh, say, according to Isaiah chapter 11, Micah chapter 4, and come say Jeremiah ni nyina egugum nti according to the concept of Judaism and the concept of Israel for adifo no omo wo gidie bi say Messiah bi beba na oba beji Israel for nko a me ka kire we Ghana ni na wo si
obeji
Israel for nko a sa na wo Old Testament sa na wo Old Testament no Messiah bi beba enye for the whole world na the concept of the Messiah a Christopher abokro no omo nte ase a Christopher wie Jesus afa ambreko enye omo dia Old Testament no concept no kire say Jew for no omo under captivity in the captivity of you find say Roman for enuti say Messiah na ba obeye den obeyi omo afri nko aso mu na sa Messiah na oba no ombe wunji obia me se da bia me isi so biem me pasofo e wo the whole Ghana a obeko to me Bible say Nyankopon se wo ba na was obesoma ne ba say ni ba mbewu no mfa ne moja mbeje sofo bia ni Ghana obetimi akotu either from the Old Testament any Bible num.
Okay, masi mesa ba hona ya to so e de front mo amenko Elder Michael avonyo hon mo na afi baby a waka e de adui e che say Jesus Christ beyond hon mo a oba asase so nti Christopher a won mu gidi say Jesus Christ e bae no won ento wadwum onyamai papa o mo say
okay em say sanya minua e kan ye no ye hia de
yeah
na in campaign there was a discussion say and show ya be kan yo mapi abom
okay
ama yentumi ehu bebi ayeko ka say bebi abetimi
obi abetimi aka
ye wo bebi afa ne Christ myth ye atesem I be Christ so ono ye another topic I betimi no obo horrors mitra ni we nya no
on even
ne what them the messiahship problems okay so for forward on so be dealing with it separately na mom ene your friend wo wini ba no na question you the two on say
was Jesus Christ
event very simple
yeah for that one okay
until I was say you share or no na the kind of I was say you find out say the word invent actually say
okay
that is how I say o ka say you share dia you be share dia fa
okay
na you ka say the word invent na you say who produce bibia a year for the first time.
Enyamaye.
But one who produce for the first time per Merriam-Webster dictionary.
Okay.
Every word meaning and who be embada.
Okay.
Until yeah sure. And now question also say the things about Jesus Christ saying the story was the story invented and I say a historic in the two words in neighbor
okay
either say a historic and I say it was invented
okay
now in this year say the adili invention the do kind of say it was say in actual time I bet you say okay this time he in any part or the year they invented
okay
two there should be the seal of the inventor the seal of the inventor. Now, the time should not be different from the seal. We can go into the archives. Because the seal of the inventor, that family in the New Testament, no scholarship. And I one says so. But import 80 scholars. One thing I hope one the Bible, who raised the issue now, who raised the issue say Christ never existed. And I said the story now was invented and you now knew what you are talking about. And to that now look up I am discussing about say was the story invented. We can discuss about the messiahship. But say we'll go back to talk about the story was invented there. Scholarship. 1 year Papa be friend Bat Emma. Or you'll be on the Bible but or a scholar New Testament.
Okay.
Or no crap now or what the university. Or sister assembly we call casa assembly only unia orca. Enti say casa invention and I make say there should be an actual time. Two, there must be the seal of the inventor.
Okay.
All right. Then 3, there should be the purpose of the invention in the inventor's own words. And to say what kind of invention what some say Jesus Christ story an invention. I'm looking for these 3 things.
Okay.
And he said, if
then we
are moving to something else.
Only point to be
We are moving to something else.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, sure. What really was invented? Now, question back home to is it the person of the Lord Jesus Christ and they invented it? And I said the story was about the invention. And Jesus Christ no story no, and they invented it. And I said the story no, uncle for can move the invention because so or can know that because said or by impa meaning so because one year sure says or by that's one back. And he said one back so or one original the Gina said one back.
Okay.
Now, men can say, or by him, the moment now, by logic, the moment that you move into that terrain, then you are defeating your, because you are shooting your own foot.
Okay.
Because if I don't agree to that, I am not even going to mention it. And now, Jew for the class was even when himself was small, and I was don't mention their name. It's an abomination to you to mention their own name. Jew for because almost there, but because God has not even see them, no, or she don't even mention their name. Okay. So until I was saying your man is systematic. You can come and say a boom, make boom, you can hear say boom one, you to me and boy your home. 2. Say if one say, yeah, you say, and I say, oh, Jan say, the man Jesus Christ never existed. Said the story was an invention. The sources near here. At the quantity of sources no here say Bible ya king and stories no say o person o verify say be a true to say time create obi na troya there must be some citation sana additional channel e was say ko bi so kan ho asem na mo so wo kwata say obi book na no kre a dey tina ya no kre if you say me na ma trust say we say we try no kre oh book na ya no kre adentia nsem say we na eden e wo mu a and passion
okay
but say you person check bi say adena e was veracity we have to have other sources backing what you are talking about.
Okay.
2 the person who send a question he say enti say you share New Testament ni mu a ye wo baby a was Jesus Christ stories no and na dodo na your friend the Gospels the person who say or jitu mu say a non-fiction ana so if you are kasana or kasa say a
no one abafom
voice abafom oh yeah okay say the person who say Gospels no can or jitu mu say a fictional and I say non-fiction the people can say your kasa be a fictional or no na your kasa you invented into your fiction books into ampara what some fictions fiction be to say Superman and almost Superman Spider-Man exactly now Batman story no or you see Kobe Gotham City now in fact the Gotham City is New York but because for fictional sake in say the you being contract say a Batman thing you know almost Gotham City but that is not the name of New York but I'm wrong we Batman we you know and I'm just have fiction do you know anything okay. All right 3 they all can say Christopher and Messi the whole point in it because say Christopher come na how mo yeah Christopher yeah high because like you bet me to the okay to na ke ho atoye because the story of Superman is better as Jesus Christ story no because say imagine so be your Messiah ni ekunu na kofo twetwe na like be for Superman na the Superman there ade atumi ha Superman ade be fa ne kryptonite I said metal be a koni pediem pe e so that one Superman ewu na won bi na also fra o Messiah no on dey wu nti say na ke Christopher for Superman story no for can na TNT higher ya ka asem je na person the story of Jesus Christ no enya ade a edidi agro
ade a nya Jesus Christ bi e wasase so
ena baby nti my man so a series of questions also answer to me
okay
because I either saw Obejina say, okay, it is the story of Jesus Christ or by and our story is near bogus.
And answer
Wamba. Now, so Wamba, there we do have a story for him.
Story
because the man was not there.
Because almost essay Old Testament, okay, New Testament, Nti nkere ne kwa say edin bi ba say Jesus Christ kura ba mo protein ana me boa.
Why should we make up?
Then kwa say eno
Now,
ba.
you see, not all boy say, not all boy say. In fact, say if such a person came out, he didn't ever say a bomber no should be a Jew name. In fact,
sure.
we will go into all those. But me say and for this because I've dealt with this thing. Mama can say I've dealt with this thing. Now, say into sources no every here. Sources no every here. My child said, I didn't was say, I can't be a fish now. I got with 3 months will be a tro.
Now,
you see, oh, and then you want to say, Ubeka say one family after 127 books. And see, that will be the most intelligent family on earth.
Yes.
As time bomba.
And they are.
But I surprise yourself, I agree, say they are. Amra, this piece of family new crown, if we should check their IQ, it will be nothing with eyesight. All right, let's move on. Now, it is a case idea non-fictional. I didn't see yet. But say I don't know. It's yet. Now some book could be about a Professor Kwame Nkrumah actual book.
Yeah.
And your true history.
Working with.
But see, it doesn't matter how you feel about the history, you know. It is fact.
And fact.
And see, one kasa phone, and that was history. I see, and I'm not sure.
Okay.
And you, what are you talking about? Because if you like it or you don't like it, and you say, I'm going to try to show. Because not all can be said. I was writing. All can be said. Even Jew for Numpono, one crop one Jesus Christ. Empty. Now, on clarify, one gin to saw by us one gin indeed. That's the question you must answer.
Okay.
On clarify, till until big Kasaya about the Muntio. Say, on clarify, say. One gin to so or buy and answer almost didn't or buy exactly. And was also can say oh so or it was a generic something so why can't you a tree Jew for you now so any true I can show you names of prominent Jews almost converted by Christians and these were not just about four. Some were scientists, some were inventors, scholars. I'll give you their names to you. Okay. But Mamma read a Dilka Kawa. Can I tell me, create a book of Jew for in a Troy? Okay. Now a book who say a Christo for a bow right Jew for any more. Watching and call for ever Christo and Munintino. One more truck I tell Senna Bay a Babwa, Emma or make me a counter, send your all county. Papa, your trouble, you. Your friend, I Kaplan. Aye Kaplan or your Jew ni or your Jew also a Jew ni your cast or your rabbi Mame Mao ne you make a crab or your Jew ni rabbi Penipa or your Jew ni rabbi Penipa Mame and check out do aha the dear Casa rabbi aye Moshe Eliyahu Kaplan now 23rd of October 1934, year one, or we in the year 1983. Munti Asama Walker. Pacha Munti at a forming Yanti Asama, Jew ni penny, our church a Jew, or ne Christoni. Munti was it in order to understand this, we must look at the origin of Christian beliefs. Okay. Christianity began with a Jew. On what Christianity began with a Jew. Aye, papa, your friend, Kaplan, or your rabbi, ni penny. And which the one, not just say, me tell one, you all can say, Christo Sumono, or not yet, or no, a Jew, or say, I shall say to Jew, need be hot. Okay, boy, and twasso. And all body paconi, Nipako, ye Jew knew. One coboy, Yeshua, or say, Jesus lived as a Jew. Yes, you kiss or tenacity, said Jew. Okay. And then make our own. Said we need other sources. We need other sources. Not because I'm going to continue Bible because hey, Bible no. But other sources. Other sources. Clarify. On your Christian or your Jew or say Christianity began with a Jew. Okay. Say, oh no, oh man, I don't know. Factual timelines. What make I can say Pizu? But Tiasema, maybe we are me coffee because I don't know why you should talk about this. Okay. So, but maybe I was out to Nipa Bakoswa or also or not sure. say Uber Pentecost one, you feel be the tenant of the church. I saw the engineer so. Near or church, I saw the engineer so share Torah. Nimunya or the church Jew for engineer so or power open demand for Nimna.
Where?
Person or or by open demand saying Pakona or church the 13 articles of faith. Emma we no open this is here, man. So Nimna. Okay, see, Yanko. Inti.
You know this.
Me want to talk far. What the mammy face here?
Okay.
So Jesus Christ, no. You need be aka say. Otias.
It's Jesus Christ.
I come
buy it.
Oh, buy it. And I come last one. Inti. And papa bi. The best of one day channel. On not show the 13 articles of faith. And my Jew for. Our come. I was so new. I said Jesus of Nazareth, who aspired to be the Messiah and was executed by the court.
Who aspired
to be the Messiah? Okay. On the end on you to but
aspired to be
the Messiah. Move on, Chairman.
Officer, on no be yet. I
say yes, na Zenia. Now, come on, or change say, why a Messiah no?
Okay.
Okuno. Was signed to court to be more. Omo initiated that one. And so we are not talking about the Messiahship. We are talking, say, are there really facts backing what the stories of Jesus Christ is saying? Say they invented. Yeah, no be na abochimka.
Okay, what me that so papa. Elder Michael Avonyo, the Church of Pentecost, Winneba, and Yatene Canon, PRWC, and the other cancer, Yedin Komono. Yauda,
Abuja.
When you said, Newa Candy, I was so would you too. Now, it's me a phone.
Yen to me to Musa. One Sammy Brani Casa, and I wait and I say, Mimbo 13 article. Don't forget it 13 article.
But
I me back. Okay, yeah.
Who said,
Mabamcho, maybe Sammy Brani say. O Jesus is the only O Jesus Saba. Who dear? No, boss, Mr. It may interrupt me, but this is my time.
Or no, Eddie said, say, or no percent, we know. I say, 13 article now, no come once a month. Uyano, and I said, Uyano. Oh, the 13 article, they mean Nimoshe. Maybe Nim the 13 article once a month, they mean they make come once a month. Until the person come once and say, 13 article, say 1,000 times article. I did Jesus one dance here, book, Bible. Okay.
And you some Bible, no free in some. Now, me season New Testament now. Bible, no, yera. That is the story of Jesus. It's lost. What do you mean, dear dance here? Bible, you name Jesus. A New Testament, you Jesus one dance here. Now, what be our invented Bible? I invented Jesus. A 13 article on to me invented. Mamma Chawadie. Make the Bible no could be proven say only Jesus now exists. Make the Bible no be proven. Mamma Bisa say Jesus here won him for. Christo ni bia him say Jesus here won one jambo. Who tell them can? She obi a hombada. Obi a timi trust story bi ope. Efa no ho. Wo ko Quran no mu a emre wo man ka e be kenkan. Quran kire say Jesus here won duase. E wo Quran chapter 19. Me can't some dear see as so. A handy, walk me a mammy, a handy, train me we. Wow, Jesus Corona, as on Storia, Koran Cafano. Jesus Corona, as on Storia, Luke, Etrofano. Jesus Corona, as on Storia, Matthew, Etrofano. It's young Shabi from all Bible. No, Mr. Jesus, you invented.
Wouldn't say
Matthew chapter 2.
Mr. And some job. Oh, angle be a effa. I know a story about Emra Montino. We are five.
Bible no can say. I can't enough in Yanko Pong him. According to a Christopher, so they have to write the same thing. And so they are can as one Matthew chapter 2, verse 11. Kind. My one yes, man, why?
Matthew 2, verse 11.
Verse 11. Me the walk of our Bible, me see Jesus be a resisting into Obi a crowd your pen fan. Me you say Jesus exists and that. Papa, we remember the poison on her because he has some case any demon. One moment at Drubonia, and Yawashi. I remember poison there. Kind, what is it? Verse 11. What is it?
They went into the house.
And when they saw the child with his mother Mary.
Inti me bacho Christo ni bia ukita Bible. King Matthew chapter 2 from 1 point no verse 11 time nti mbrenti. Ah me kire say
what the man can twins na be ya wi awon san kun chire mu bi.
Point no na be mo brofro na kire mu ama wo be de wo betimi ate ase. Nti mo owi obe kan twi no. Na fa me ko Luke biem. Ye time nti se na ye say express ye ho no ye hard bi pa. Akoye say pressure kakra bi. Enu nti according to Matthew chapter 2 actually say Jesus ye wonu wedan and according to Luke chapter 2 kan Luke chapter 2 me bie ma actually say Jesus so ye wonu ndambuom nti me pa cho Jesus na nkasa oba ya ye wonu he na pomdi wugire asesi ano se me bisa wo say ye wo he a wo bebo ba bi fa akon actually me identity you existed but Jesus enam say why existing babi kire say ye wonu ndambuom babi kire say ye wonu wedan.
And not just saying, my
Look at chapter 2,
verse 7.
Verse 7, what is it?
Or say, they give birth to her first son, wrap him in the grave of the cloth, and lead him into the manger.
In the manger.
In the manger.
Into who kind tree now? Obaka Chiro say, ye won and jamboom. Jesus abako, ye won jamboom. Jesus abako, ye won a dime. Yemfa want to change. Now you shall get to her. Share me, Mr. Atiefo Munte me. In the name of Jesus, there is no cursing. Diabonim. Yes, indeed, Yejuma because he never existed. And Yejuma, kind, me for the entrance here. Matthew chapter 12, verse 32. Kind, you know. Matthew 12, 32. Yes, be a mass as so. A young creative story, character, no matter the fan, a coquan's story, no to my. Now, no, besides, say, then, Jesus.
But initially, not. You believe in Jesus Christ?
Initially, now me believe in Jesus. Do you know why I believe in Jesus Christ? I was brought up as a Christian. Me mama and papa na lecture me say, Papa biaba, you veni Jesus. Wabe uaje me. And I'm telling na me kinka book na me say.
At that time, no. Where was your common sense?
I was not using GDA from my father and my mother as a Christian.
At that time, no common sense no way.
Common sense never, but I was not using it. Until you will not understand what I'm saying. Christo ni bia ye Christo ni ye tete wono ye mfa common sense tete ye di gidie ena tete wo so ana etwa kwa asole Sunday school na egboro mba mo kwa asole wan kwa asole ye ma waduane na ya fo so na wagi Yesu edi ekire wo yure be fi se wo be kinkai book no na wa hwe se te sa ana ente sa ma me nkire obi ntia ye invent Jesus verse 32 no kai what say wama enunti eye code o se di obeka se tie nipa ba na oye Jesus no
o be free no
ye ni boni be free no
obeka se tie hon kronkron
na di obeka se tie hon kronkron de
o be free
me wa ko Bible num am say makai we na ma Jesus bia ma asase so Yesu bia nji obia me bi se na all care about bibi 13 article of bibi even Bible num po omo kiro Bible no onu onim omo na obi a kiro ni history book a me nko body ntrem obi a kiro ni history book
onu ni mo ana say wo na wo ka se oni
onu bi sa me say 13 articles no why am na kiro e na me si minim e na me bi sa me say even New Testament no omo kiro Jesus bi para Matthew 9:9 what is it what is it
what na Yesu free hori twam no
Yesu every word twam no
ohun onipa bi
Yesu ehun onipa bi
o te atoje bia
na o jeje to o ye tax collector
Matthew
ye friend no Matthew
na o ka kire say
ena Yesu ka kire Matthew say
dimachi
sorry dimachi
no sorry dimachi
na o sorry dimachi nti ha no enye Matthew ena e kiro eni ti na mo say gospel according to Matthew eyo bi na ye den e kiro ena mo de ko say Matthew eyen krofu bi no mu invent ye na woni bi de nto mu invent ye
no say ka mighty ni e chọ ko ka say na Yesu ka kire
me say dimachi na me sorry di
na me sorry di na
ebi o Luke chapter 1 verse 1 na membra me point na enko di enti a yenya
obi na kire fa mighty hu
obi na kire enye Matthew na yidare enye Matthew na kire obi na say Matthew will say Jesus say Matthew will say Jesus say
okay
me ba to mon kan Luke 1
mame samra bi na yeni enkowo emfa ho Elder Michael Avanyo said the whole see e kan ya and for Jesus Christ will say anya de oba ye ba no say omo atwere enzimi na for Jesus ho mbo no enyo mo na twere ye ka say Matthew ne Luke ne omo asefo na nyomo no twere na mumu no amafo atwere ni mumu di ni ade a papa side debate we akoso a ade na wo say etumi koso sa
okay na menyaje how a moderate or ye in your afa.
Okay.
Senefa ya because in debate any logic no. Ye wo say the topic 2 on more. Only time say me chere topic in the mono.
Okay.
Say the key word no is about invention. Invention of what?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Now me just say yen chile say is it about say ya create character bi. To say your ball Spider-Man there be gina ho. And I said the man existed but the stories no then bogus. Until I'm see another invention. And no can say he never existed. Now, me tell my question. And yet say me person me prove it say the man Jesus Christ story no and yet fiction. But I non-fiction say I
abakosem I da ho a.
and yet the papa ni mo no to say Professor Hoy book you know. I was saying they could compare with other
Books.
They could compare with outside that Kratano.
History
Because it will be because something internal contradiction. Say one case why you will judge. Now I will set two questions. Now I will set it. In Toronto. But I will make discussion and yeah papa. Say me quote scripture. I have to find out say okay apart from in Kofoy Crampona or Casino Troy because and discussion is not about the gospels. So I'm not trying to say
it's about the Jesus Christ.
Was the story true? Was the story true or not? It's a clever person say, and the young pet other sources are a bit to Christopher.
But almost
did it so by. And I'm two great sources.
I only do for.
Jew for. I'm a separate woman, the fellow Rambam. Rambam wrote the articles of faith or no, I was so a Jew, you know, I was so dealing now so. Ram, it is only Rambama, let me name Jew croway. I don't know how no.
Okay.
You want Abraham what? So Abraham named Rambam. On chance say Rambam that wrote the 13 articles of faith. And I don't know say my clever now, Mamma Trust I say. I mean to know say Oko court. Now say ya there are some to say per se who's as no crack and I say ya no crack. Ye be without witnesses. And then without witnesses.
Yeah.
Say adansi for away. Now until adansi for no should not be when you are seminal. Never
other sources.
Exactly. And to be from say, oh, mene Yehuda a contopa. And to witness when we buy a more hey from eyewitnesses.
But why should it be said that be an amount for nya as some can say Jesus Christ never exists?
Say, Kratana ya tro. To say, Mammy Mo, I say a good example. Working with rollers. Yes, I don't know, clear. But why are people having issues with it? Because it is against what they feel. Say it shouldn't be this way, it should be another way rather.
Okay.
But Nipa now, all trying to know, man, or no knew how the thing went. And what produced the fact. It doesn't matter how you feel about it. It's about the fact. Yenya other sources are supporting say, I don't know yampa. Only I can watch them in any radio. It is another trust, like I say. It is a share other extra sources. And you're trolling because a narrative stories now, but say yes, or we can have a discussion on that.
So Jesus Christ ever says so.
So you see, the last video was about this question, the historicity of Jesus Christ. But the question is, was the story invented?
Yes.
The
story was invented. That's the question.
That's the question.
Yeah.
The person is stay on it.
Yeah.
Now, there was a story invented that. And the young Obia, or bet you may agree to some of the things that Yatro or Bible. Okay. Nevertheless, second Luke chapter 1 now. We can Luke chapter 1. Yes, there. Near Ocho Luke no, or Casemo. That no, say, Luke chapter 1. Mufan Cham said, maybe I make a bro for no. Now, by what I say, for as much as many have taken in hand, many has taken in hand to set forth in order a declaration of those things which are most surely believed among us. The also look in said, that in some of the king, and then we quan amateur one said, a drum and so actually. Now, wait, I surely believe.
That's a man for Trebi.
Ebi atro bi.
Akwa say asemesi ebi awo asimbo station.
No obi ade na account
e
eba.
ba ko no bia e trend bi.
Obi ade na account eba.
In account e be ba. Okay.
Obeka twa.
Ejo ma yama we on can twi ma tika.
Let's go verse 2 no.
Matthew when look on.
Luke chapter 1 verse 1 to 3 no.
Verse 3 no.
1 to
verse number 1 no. Luke chapter 1 no. O say esan say enipa pi afato wo ho so. Say obekire ensem a aba e wo mu no ato aso. Say de won a ofiri mfitiase ade wo ho ani ehunu ye.
Exactly.
Na wɔsom nsɛm no ho de kosi daa nti tifalopa ɛyɛ no sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ me nso mehyehyɛ enipa emu ɛpepi free mfitiaseɛ no wɔsi metwerɛ ne baako maako ɛbrɛ metwerɛ ne maako mebrɛ ɛwɔ na mehunu sɛ wɔn nsɛm a wɔkyerɛkyerɛ no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nokorɛ
so ɔho eti ahanu kwa po
Nessa ensem no omo twen bebre but
yes omo twen bebre we hu confirm so omo ka the same thing the same thing no say say dey chofro I mean chombrel now so hu ensem ye esisi say e no korrect enti enya asem a obi na ebushim na kwahye kokwem you better discuss that way no on the platform but cho mama ma o other historians that first Jesus Christ said the story na ye kan e no korrect oh say me say kaye ye jira ha ya ke wie aya ka plan anu because Jew ni wan di Yesu ndi an do ko wuye but we born di mapa say the guy was a Jew enti like ye wie ho ye wie an ya to ne ndwuma na o ye ne so now enti when ye papa bi ye friend Cornelius Tacitus Tacitus so ya won I feel 112 AD 112 say after the death of Jesus no ye won note onye Christo ni no oye hwan oye governor oye mambufo we Asia now oye son-in-law Emma Julius Agricola enti eye oye enti we say na non fiction obekọ libraries no na eden e wo ho eye fact mumi enti asemasi e o say amra na Emperor Nero atiase no asemisi wo Rome na asemasi wo eja kese bi to Rome e na omo kasa eye nkofo bia wodi Yesu bia etia no owo Juda ena edi sa oha no aba eti ampa se na obi ano obi eni ho a na owo Juda memu a na ke benya no nkofo mpo e wo ho when ye biblical when ye history any Christopher anyone that said there was somebody like that because how I na ya tro ye nyoma se mo ya ensentropho no and na who crafo no say ye Jude ya would ya we better try picture and so okay we better record it ni na dito
yeah
now that time no need those kind of things no it's ye be synopsis just say asem no see
yeah
no ma o ma twom ha be chire no ma check eyewitnesses no ma record it once no it's wonya no exact
ni si ye na kasa
they see na kasa memo very detail bi no omo de te say the Jesus boy ye king Matthew look na we say ye virgin e wo no ne papa de Joseph say na ye true Sunday school no but there's some details bi a Matthew and Famba look at Famba share ye ti he na ka look actual exactly as Matthew actual na ka the same people e be ka say hey omo bo me twa tro
okay Martin my main kind message we say ask that man to be specific ever since it has been obina a tray so if the story of Jesus doesn't exist then who wrote that storybook okay I say his common sense also says that there isn't any story without an author so who wrote his so-called Bible storybook the name okay and or the abawi and asante or say a common mistake that people make when trying to design something completely to prove it to underestimate the indigeneity of complete fools. Let him know this. And asante and the Bible. Okay. Yeah. Almost maybe I work through Yahuda. Still now, no one say. Jesus Christ almost all buy no who just said on my did dance Jesus Christ
on my omu kono kura dia dance say e omu tro bibi keke obi atro because omu book na e di Jesus no wa dance e kura errors wom
you can say penifo be
say you forget penifo no ntim penifo no omu di Jesus wa dance e no omu book no di preach asole dem and all the Bible no preach Jesus me see Jesus exist here me the Bible e disprove what got tam pamphlet say who did disprove me o Bible no John 3 verse 11 kai na yam to wow that is the problem of Christians o Bible no na di Jesus wa dance here say rambam bayo rambam ambo atemuda nyankopon on hwe rambam no mu asem emfamu for who tell am no if kai John 3:11 verse 11
I'm telling you the truth.
Jesus na kasa no I'm telling you the truth.
We speak of what we know.
We speak of what we know.
And report what we have seen.
And we report what we have seen. Christo ni owo Ghana ha. Ohun Jesus oya o manesa so. Afa yen hwa bia bi o ha. Me say Jesus never existed because story no mo kiro fa no no. Luke chapter 2 me gina wa verse 1. Obe kan bro no. Wo wia.
Why na kire Bible na wo kan say.
Ena me wo kire no. Ena me wo kire no say.
So senior mind na kire.
Mind
na kan no senior mind na.
Enye mati no kire.
It one na kire.
Enkrofo mu kiro na me bo mu dinu. Ye from the Piso family. Na woni me de nti o mu kiro o mu invent Jesus na. O mu invent the New Testament no. Me di kan kire o mu say Old Testament na da ho dada. E wo Old Testament ni mu say Messiah bi beba na oba ombewu enji obi na oba beye army commander warrior a obekun amajiufo no uche da meka no
ba wo uji jiufo di
that is the concept that is the concept of the Old Testament and that is why they invented the New Testament then a minimum fa jiu they are minimum fa so mu Old Testament Torah nti e wo mu Torah ni mana
you don't believe in that Bible no
that book I
Old Testament na wo mu ji no unyi
me believe say nipa bi na twero he
you believe say nipa bi na twero e mfiri nyankopon
dabi ka ye mfiri nyankopon nim enu nti the nti o invent New Testament ya what the messianic prophecy in the Old Testament ya what the concept of the Messiah in the Old Testament e kire say a time will come ye benya papa bia oba beko na wa yijiufo afrin kwaso mu ena omu invent New Testament kire say Jesus no wa den waba enu nti ena omu kire the story biara in Luke chapter 2 verse 1 Yesu mbaako na wo tie die ba me person me push ni se Bible no Luke chapter 2 verse 1 kan
Luke chapter 2 verse 1 no
to wona bon 1 mami
was at the time the Emperor Augustus
obi antie according to Luke my Bible no say atwero nyina firi nyankopon ho miemu Luke chapter 2 verse 1 was it at the time of Emperor
Augustus
to asenkwe
ordered a census to be taken throughout the Roman Empire
to asenkwe
when his first census took place
and according to Luke hwan breso Emperor Augustus Tawsa say ho na ko Matthew chapter 2 verse 1 me kire wo say they invented Jesus enu
I na okan ya won kan manensi na
time nti ena ye wo bia ye kind of make a point according to Luke maminka story na wo ho no e kire say Emperor Augustus mbreso na enwa nhwefuo bi e wo nwuram omo ye fulani omo hwe nyan ena abofo ofisoro ena omo bae na omo se monko ya wo Jesus na ye wo no nwrambuom ena abofo no ene enwanhyefo no omudi yasa na omosae ena omokoye nti omokoye no na Jesus odanjambuom that is the story of Luke bawo ko Matthew chapter 2 na e kire se anyansafo miensa omufiri epie bae ena omoko Herod ho ahimfie ena omoko bisa se hemfa na yawo jiwuni jiwfo no hene ena star edi omoanim ena omokoye na Yesu odadan ena also die Joseph so die nti ama story no a different story because they were created nipano nti everybody has access to write everything obia wakwanya say ochoro bibia afa yenu nie me say so see Jesus exist here da bia ye ba na throw challenge John chapter 14 verse 12 kan Jesus bia mae
John chapter
14 verse 12 ye wanyame so mimpo na ebe so nyankopa nka New Testament ne nka say ye twa ni nyina de ne ye say de ko toilet na de onimu wi sie ote no fa si wi nka so bi ani ho menam kam kire Yesu. Omu create telephone Yesu.
No me be a mouth.
Apu, edi enome. Enome ben. Enome ben. Can John 14:12. Can you say?
John 14 verse 12 no.
Verse 12.
Ose no kra mo say.
No kra me say.
The oji die.
The oji me Jesus die no.
Nyuma no.
Me nyuma na me ye
Ono so be yo.
Onu nso be ye.
Obe akese asen die.
No be ye akese. Me say in the name of Jesus because Jesus never existed. People cannot perform miracles in the name of Jesus. Eyaza and nada ni nkotompo. Me am come tell. Nti Yesu to challenge say wuti ni dia. Sencheri ni nyuma na oyeye no. Wo be ye bi. Ama na ye den aboroso. Ye wo Ghana ha. A Christopher asofo, Pentecostfo. Omo se omo sayale. Ye wo asofo bi a, omo se ni frani, ya bie nani. Obi awu, ya nyane no. Ena kwata, ena fibroid. So omo se omo di Yesu bi sayale a. Yengu hospital se wo Ghana ha. No mo kwa so ye friend say hospital nko sayale. We are proving Jesus from the Bible, not Jesus from a pamphlet.
Never exist.
He never existed. Omo create a character for a person who never existed. Omo yi character from Old Testament. And I'm the creative.
Sambra
still no.
Maybe I'll do an
Baby, I'm meeting. I was saying,
Jesus Christ invented.
That is it.
Okay.
No, Maka say there were various topics.
Sir, and only you bet me
to discuss the Messiahship, the myth, Christ myth. And in never to discuss it. The contradiction on what say a word in New Testament anymore.
You bet me more for
you bet me more alcohol.
Okay.
Now, in Kataya, Ukraine, and you know, I say pamphlet.
Yeah.
I am one say a CSF for because almost so many books I am the man for. Oh, there also a castle on believe book be also on a crack town Mushia.
Yeah. Daddy, yeah, new book be a demobia.
And now, Marcus a crack tower, and yep, just pamphlet. Oh, what did you a rabbi or you did a hood and yamite?
Into book where I ain't Bible.
Oh, and I make us
we don't know what did you not swim who say, and you said Christ in the Bible.
Go to your point, go to your point.
I'm going, so you can't divert me anyway. Now, Papa Akasa, the Rambam, also, oh yeah, Jew for penny after people after Moses. Amra ya sheti Jew for nyina ono no dwuma tena ase etwa nyama the Jew ni edi ekira obetumi abe Jew ni mapa enti se Yahuda eka chem se oni Rambam enim the 13 articles of faith and won Yahuda di no finish so because on Jew ni mapa because I was say we believe what Rambam eka ye no because
abra what is heading na to
hoso to nim na nim ade kronti a o se ye Jew ni now
don't misquote me. Me can't say me a Jew ni. Say me catch was say once upon a time I was learning to them.
And it's also we through so.
My name never changes nothing. Don't forget me, didn't prove the point.
Okay, Mate.
So now make sense to be able to say. Or say Aya Kaplan, or a rabbi, or say a person ya tipi so small sia. I will say a tia say, if a corner was sharing Christo Sumasino, not a Jew. Say, Papa, I can't ask him we are. Say, as some first or second, I will say, it is therefore impossible to separate the historical person of Jesus from the Christ.
Okay.
Kaplan said. And you know, a dinner. Say, open to me, I can say, was a historical person. Say, open to me, I can say, that man never existed. And he said, I Kaplan, Cassia. No, or no, so Cassia, your stories, not yet 55 years on. Send a gospel for no kind, no crescent.
Okay.
Now, Mao, Ada, it's Yamo extra sources in the boy. Every episode for me, Papa, mind yes, wendy. Now, so watching one said, Woman, I can't pay for the Maraba Serapion. Maraba Serapion. Oh, yeah, why am you can say BA bar now. Then a Aramaic word for son. It's the Mara son of Serapion. Obete Bola say, Abraham Ben Moshe. Ben no a Hebrew for meaning son.
Okay.
So we call a Muslimi for so a boy can say bin and not ibin. I'm sure you how my son.
Okay.
Now, Marabe, or Yara make ni, on ye Juni, on ye Christoni, at that time, no one for never Christmas Sati, which are some worker. See, as some of a cotini, who call European Library.
Okay.
Almost silly at down with my fucking kind. Munche. What's it? Advantage bank and Athenians, Unine, and Mlaukun, Socrates. Famine and plague came upon them as a judgment for their crime. What advantage did the men of Samos gain from Pythagoras? In a moment, their land was covered with sand. What advantage, me and you, what advantage did the Jews gain from executing their wise king? It was just after that their kingdom was abolished.
Okay.
When I say Maraba, up to the story said there was a man say a short Talmud more. In fact, almost the sad characteristics of Jesus Christ. So he was a wise man. And now Omukuno. I don't know. Until honestly Maraba as what kind and ne Ramba Masemono. Different group.
Okay, but I'm going to na yema ti for so chawagin na no nsam no edo so pa to say say yedi enkomo no we say na sante say me bisa we say if the Bible was just a storybook, then why is he using the same storybook stating John, Luke, and Co to prove himself? He should use his common sense to prove. Okay. Hello, you go. We are still. Okay. Okay, but you do like a savvy. About my meeting.
What's that?
Okay. What is
I think it's a commodity to bet you on that.
Okay. Martin, but that's what Papa also want to me about so young crowd money to do. And we do your seal. Hey, Kolia. Yeah, we'll go there. Kolia, what we do? Yeah, we'll go.
According to you, what be a woman or gospel, your time. Not to make you feel on the hell of the time. You can use me what you know, or kind of thing.
Not all my time.
Not at the best. No, who can you explain of them? You can be into the rest of our
Okay.
You so family, women for any invention.
Okay. Martin, what's the matter? Hello, you are still. Me ba told you make something.
But
About to meet you.
But when you bring a mission or my church of family, no, my kids that I can't make sense. I think it's to I'm with that city. What's that for you? No, one I did no one. The one a man of
Martin, but I tell you, we are still. About you, I'm you. Okay, come to me too.
obiara wɔ ne ta obiara wɔ ne masa wɔyɛ ɔbɛfa ne mma no ɔwɔ sɛ yaboda ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ ɔtwefa ne ho ɔpaapaa so wɔntumi aka nyinaa nsi so
onyame bɛtua wo ka wae onyame na wodi n'akyi no bɛtua wo ka
the resource that both parties will be addressing and the sense of the so common sense that there's some all cut so you will say that how was that or the sister that's what the people do want to mobile cut out the couple of high Christian and yes that confirm the channel of high Christian to
Martin.
Okay, mais that's what I don't know. Yes, you. But you know, Kasafi.
Kwani adeni asini ekuda miana.
But you want you.
Ede ya sasa mekaze bitu kwanze yema yeninda ho. Ibo tinya Bible ne kika cha onko mleta so mobeba. Ede kwa so mobeba ya wuda ne ko so moba bitu.
onko kan Bible
Ne be ke ti e to bi yesu.
Mate me das, eu não vi o Yasi, eu não sei.
Hello, bibi ya sampa.
É mais um momento eu.
Pacho kase dite ka. Icho Obama na network. Amumade. Pacho bika papa na oka de Jesus Christ ambe ya se. Opa so na na so pa.
Ok, Mate. É das, eu não vi o Yasi.
meka so na ka
Mais um momento eu. Mate eu. Okay, what you say? You say you are not I brand sir. We free. Pastor Pento, I say okay. You know the you for we for intro intro na fe yen toso. Bro.
Yeah, the new food can come with me.
And council abronye.
Abomani, we pakole na mention mutu ba mutu kwa na mali atemba ya class. Na abonu unzende ne musulmi.
Yeah.
Ana mekura no ekate bo se ansa na beye musulmi ni papa no. E wo se mi di Yesu Kristo ni ebi. Yes, Isa, and Isa, Prophet Isa.
nipa baako no
The person who Isa so for the same. In this of the Bible quotations, and that is the kind of who to take your soul. Now, you should get me the very Bible quotation that I will be able to say, this is the movie.
Okay.
My and the Kunaka video so and boy, you and cat. He says, hey, man, this one.
Okay.
There is no further that you should get with a quotation that says that we should have what
And
he
also who say Jesus never exists.
He existed in the Quran.
Okay.
He was
Okay.
given
And on the other hand, they say, oh, by an answer one.
or by the answer of the Papa too.
Okay. But that's all Papa said, also what to me, and of course, no bow. Yamaniba.
And if I would
Okay, what me do?
you are probably my men now has a man and they will go down with a client. And rather than a Yatamino, when we hear me, yeah, you give a little you, but yeah, anyway. You are probably what's the problem? You know, because there's a problem you are. I don't know. If you are, what there's a common sense, my entry idea. It is a old football common sense, that's what it says. Right now, football. The evening, the picture of what I'm going to watch on the Ghana. All kinds of football as a thing.
Okay, but I say, yeah, face it. You did yes or so. Almost sending messages are almost say, okay, we if we Pastor Pente, or say, why are you using your medium to promote this man? Anyway, you see, this one, but then you know, you didn't come up. And they said, yeah, a Christopher Fontina, young person, you will see other sources and so. And they are couple, or say, you see other sources, and to me, the count, you only say, be by 2 months. Na me almost so cano yɛtumi anya nkyerɛkyerɛ paa ɛda fa ho biawoda
abusua
yɛkɔ
The last one.
nti last way that they can
still I'm say dia me pese atiefoɔ te aseɛ ne sɛ obi si ade ntina yama platform no o kristoni sabi mprediasa Mark Zuckerberg na obi en Facebook no abosonsonfoɔ wɔ hɔ a kristofoɔ ɔbudafoɔ wɔ hɔ nti yɛ adwuma na ɔmo yɛ mesrɛ wa yɛ adesua afɛ yɛ to aso me patcho ɛna me bra no wanti me patcho me ba
dabi ɛnɛ no mesrɛ nyame adoma
oh
nti ɛne ato aso itam na so tia ne ko why
okay mechia atiefo nyina especially common sense family Abraham Bilushi na mechia bantama fo so ene me fie ya
matem da se me problem be san so ahia me din e de retio na na kwa akomo honorable e de full to show no nyame adoma da se ne
yo CSF the building